Teas for diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic disease affecting more than 537 million adults worldwide, which makes the body convert food into energy. But it occurs when blood sugar is too high and the body cannot process it properly. However, there are treatments and certain foods that allow to control it, offering a better quality of life to those who suffer from it, and one of these foods are herbal teas. Green tea. Green tea is one of the best drinks we can take to prevent diabetes or control it. This plant is rich in an anti-diabetic substance that reduces blood sugar. In addition, green tea has multiple benefits. It helps prevent various types of cancer, helps in weight loss, slows cellular aging, and helps in the prevention of heart disease. Black tea. Another infusion that we can drink to control diabetes is black tea. This drink lowers blood glucose after meals and improves insulin response. Similarly, black tea is ideal for preventing heart disease, protecting the immune system, and preventing cavities and other oral diseases. Sage tea. Sage tea is ideal not only to help prevent diabetes, but also to help control cholesterol and has anti-inflammatory effects. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea is rich in phenolics, substances with anti-diabetic effects that help in lowering glucose. In addition, this plant brings great benefits to the digestive system, as well as helps with menstrual cramps and improves concentration and blood circulation. Morning tea. Although this is a little-known plant, the truth is that it is of great help in controlling diabetes. It is rich in phenolic acids and flavonoids, which help not only in the control of diabetes, but are also essential in its prevention. Morning tea is also very beneficial in improving the digestive system, aiding respiratory health, and promoting weight loss. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is one of the most beneficial infusions and is that not only helps control blood glucose, but also has digestive properties. It is a plant with which we can reduce and calm anxiety and stress, besides being ideal to strengthen the immune system and help with menstrual cramps. Chamomile is also widely used to treat skin wounds. Hibiscus tea. The petals of the hibiscus stand out for having a high concentration of polyphenols, substances most necessary when it comes to preventing diabetes. Drinking an infusion of hibiscus not only favours the reduction of blood sugar, but also reduces insulin resistance. Therefore, it is an ideal drink for both preventing and controlling diabetes. In addition, hibiscus tea also helps prevent high blood pressure, improve liver function, and aid in weight loss. Likewise, this infusion has antidepressant properties and works as a natural anxiolytic. How to prepare tea. We can find tea in various formats to prepare our infusions. However, it is always more advisable to buy loose tea instead of buying them in bags. In this way, we can prepare them as we like and add the amount we prefer. To properly prepare an infusion, the first thing to do is to heat the water until it reaches boiling point. Once the water is boiling, we are going to add it to the cup with the tea bag or in the teapot with the tea leaves. Whichever way we prepare it, we must let the infusion steep for about 10 minutes. After this time, we can remove the tea bags or tea leaves and drink while warm. If we like to drink cold tea, appetizing in certain months of the year, the procedure to follow is the same. However, once we remove the tea bag, we can place the cup in the refrigerator and wait for it to cool down. Never prepare tea with cold water directly, unless it is a preparation specially made for this purpose. The different types of teas on the market, as well as their beneficial health properties, have made these beverages increasingly popular in our society. Not only do we have them available in various formats, but there is such a variety of them that it is impossible not to find one that we like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to comment on what other tea topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe. Also, check the description below for a link to our delicious teas.